Add texture brushes Blender. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many beginners using Blender want to learn how to create custom sculpting brushes with textures, but find the interface confusing. It helps them understand brush settings, improve sculpting detail, and gain better control over their designs, making their 3D models more realistic and professional. First, tap on Blender to open it on your desktop and wait for the interface to load completely. Once it is open, press the A key on your keyboard to select all objects in the scene. Then delete them by pressing X and confirm the action when prompted so you start with a clean workspace. After that, press Shift and A to open the Add menu, and choose a sphere from the Mesh section to insert it into the scene. Next, scale the sphere up by pressing S and adjusting its size. Then right-click on it, and select Shade Smooth to make the surface appear softer. Then go to the sculpting panel located at the top of the screen to switch modes. Select a draw brush from the available sculpting tools. On the right side menu, extend the arrow and press Duplicate to create a copy of the selected brush. Give a name to the duplicated brush so you can easily recognize it later. Then place it in a catalog or create a new one if needed. After that, go to the catalog you just made to locate your custom brush. Next, select the brush and go to the right side menu again. Look for the texture section and extend it to view more options. Press the plus sign to add a new texture, then tap the button next to the X icon to open the texture panel. In the texture panel, press the Open File button to browse your files. Select any texture you want to use from your computer. To make sure it is working properly, press the 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗗 option at the top to enable dynamic topology. Finally, test it by left-clicking on the mesh and observe how the texture affects your sculpting strokes. Continue experimenting with brush settings and textures to refine your sculpting results and achieve more detailed and creative designs within your project effectively.